cow, and a turkey, and a goat, and a bunny, and a horse, rooster, parrot, sheep, cow, pig, horse, dog, pig.
Good job. Now turn the page. It's on the next page.
What's the next page? A turtle. A turtle is a very special way.
What other animals are on the page?
What's this? A hippopotamus. A hippopotamus. A hippopotamus, Mommy. What's this?
What's that?
Wow. The kangaroo. The kangaroo. This is a kangaroo, Mommy.
Yeah. What
No.
else is there?
No, this is not a kangaroo.
No, that's a gazelle.
That's good skill. And this is a camel within a floor. This is an ostrich. This is an ostrich.
Yeah. What else is on the page?
There's zebras, giraffes, an elephant, zebras, leopard, rhinoceros, lion, a cheetah. This is a cheetah.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a cheetah.
That's a cheetah.
That's cheetah. Have to know this have the big nose. That have the little nose.
Okay, go to the next page.
Okay, go to the next page. Macaw!
A macaw, yeah.
Raw tiger. Orangutan. Orangutan.
Orangutan.
Orangutan. That's a baby and a mommy. Hanging out to the head. A turtle, a chinchilla, cute with a mouth.